Hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx, and this is my channel, and here we discuss on how to make money online through forex trading, and we basically do synthetic indices. Happy Sunday, and this is HumbleFx signing in. So today we are going to be talking about a very important strategy that you can use to make money on the financial market and then lose no. Okay, you can make money here and don't lose money. Look at this is the trade I'm inside right now. Okay, this is the trades that I'm taking right now, so you could see the live account. This is not a demo, guys. All right, so let us check what we need to do to make money in this market, and this is already what we have done today on this account. I'm going to check our bigger account here. This is what we have also done in this place. All right, we have done this in this place, and we have gotten $24 today. Withdrawn some money, simple as that. So guys, you don't have to be afraid. If you understand what we are doing here, then you are going to make profits. You can see this crossing here. This is very awesome. What kills the traders in the market is that they don't understand what the market is doing, and they don't want to understand. They want to be spoon-fed, but that is not what happens. So when you learn something, you have to go ahead and practice it, study it, bring out your own invention. This trade, I should exit it now using the indicator, but I'm holding it because on the higher time frame I'm seeing something happening here. So I'm not going to close this trade because right now, because in the higher time frame here, let me zoom out a bit so you will see higher time frame here. I'm seeing something happening here. Look at this. What's happening here, guys? What's this? This is an order block that is being tested, so I expect my price to go down at least to these levels here. So that's why I'm not going to close it based on the strategy, but I'm going to hold it a bit because I see that this point here is a very important point. This point here is an important point, even though if it spike again, you should expect to come here and start dropping. So but I'm not going to close this trade right now. I'm going to hold it as I'm going to hold the trade and we'll ride it. So let's go down to where this is where we are right now on the 1 minute time frame. So if it spike right now, I'm not going to close it or exit it in loss, or because I know that it's going to go down definitely. Okay guys, what was I saying? I said that in the market, if you don't understand what's happening in the market, that is where you make a lot of losses, because you don't want to study. Some people will just come to this channel, they will see video, they will not watch it to the end. They will only pick the ones they only want to see the settings, and when they see the settings, they are out. They want to go and try it out. When you don't know how it works, you're not studying. I say this, guys. See that spike happen right now, but I'm not going to close this trade. I'm not going to close it. I'm going to hold it based on the higher time frame view. If I should close with using my indicator, I should have been out in the market since long time ago, but I'm going to hold this trade. I'm not afraid of that spike. Yes, that is what we call swing trading. If I'm scalping the market, I should be out already. I should be out already from the market, but I'm not going to be out. I'm going to hold this one. I should close this trade because this pair is very volatile, and the loss that I use here is something big. This pair is very volatile, guys. Anyway, let us hold the whole trade. We're going to hold the whole trade and see what it brings to us. Okay guys, now, so what are we talking about? How does it work? How do we use it to trade? You can see here it works perfectly fine if you follow the instructions that I will give you right now. So feel free to watch to the very end so that you do not miss what we are going to discuss right now. Now let's right into it as we proceed. Now the first entry confirmation, the first entry is, let's check your window indicator. Let this red line be touching level 90 like this. So that is the first entry confirmation. The next one, you wait for the candle to come down and go below the line on the main chart. So once there is a crossover on the main chart, and here there is on this this red line is going down from the level of 90 downside, then you have an entry. You have an entry. So what do? You take your entry right there, and you're going to take 10 to 20 candles. Okay, you're going to take 10 to 20 candles, and if you watch here, if I entered here first time, I entered there in the first time and we took that trade. Look at that, we took it here. This is the trade we took before I closed it and entered another one. We got this there. So if that is the case, you should have gotten your 10 candles and you get out of the market. Easy as that. So no matter how it's spiked now, I don't care. All right, now see also here we have something happening here as well. The market is here on the level of 90. Okay, and then we were waiting for entry confirmation. Markets come down all the way, go below the blue line on the main chart. So what do we expect to do? We should expect to take 10, at least 10 candles. And what happens here, if we count this thing, let's count and see how much candle we get. This is where the market cross here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. See that you are taking your 10 before any spike happens. Okay, now we check also here. Look at here also, we have something happening here. The market reached the 10 here, but it did not cross this line, so we ignore it. It spike again, come to 10 here. Okay, then that's when it now crossed this line. We now enter to take what? To take our 10 candles. And what happens here? This here is over 10 candles. Simple as that. Simple as that, guys. This works like magic, guys. It works like magic. See a perfect entry here, guys. The markets come to the level of 10. It moved down, cross the blue line on the main chart. So what do we expect? We expect to take entry here and take 10 to 20 candles, and this is what we took. Simple as that. Okay, we check again. If we continue to check this thing, we're going to see lots and lots of trade. See it here, level. Now what happened here? It come down, cross this line, we take our 10 candles, and that's that. As simple as that. It's not. Now look at here, guys. Look at here. It tried to cross here. There is level of 10 here. Then try to cross here. It did not cross. Then spike happening. So you see why the crossing of the main chart is very, very important, because it's also the means of knowing the trend of the market. So I need to close my boom trade. My boom. Let me see my boom. Let me see if I can close it. Let me close it. My boom. Let me exit my trade on boom, because this market is very volatile and the spike can happen right now. So let me be holding my boom 1000. This is what I'm holding for now. Hey guys, we have made $17 this morning and we are still running in profit, guys. So this one too is going to come to profit. So I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of this market. Not afraid at all. All right, let's check on the crash 1000. Crash 1000 and see if we can take a live trade. No, this is a perfect one as well, guys. If you understand this strategy, guys, you're going to make the market successfully. This is coming to the level of 10. This is in the reverse of boom 1000. You are taking entry when this red line is on the level of 10 and the market is crossing above the blue line on the main chart. So you take your entry there and you take your candles. As simple as that, guys. You may ask me, what is the zoom level of the strategy? The zoom level is very simple. From the lower zoom level, you zoom it out once and twice. So this is the zoom level, guys. So I can see the chart clearly. All right. As simple as that. As simple as that. All right. See another entry here. We had the market drop down to level of 10. Market goes up all the way up and group closes are above the blue line. What do? We take our entry to take 10 to 20 candlestick and we are good to go. It happens, guys. This strategy is just like, it's a wonder. All right, it is very, very, very awesome that if you understand it, you backtest it and get it right, then you are not going to lose money in the financial market. This strategy works very best on the 1000 indexes. Let me say the crash 1000 and the boom 1000. Okay, now see also here, this is a back test, and you are seeing how perfect it is. First thing first, let the window indicator come to a level of 10. Now let there be, sorry, yeah, so let there be, here also we have a good entry point here. This thing is on the level of 10, and we're waiting for this to cross over the level here. It's crossed over here, and what do? We take our entry to take 10 to 20 candles. But note, if you are taking this entry, once you see this level here, once the market comes to that level, you have to exit your market, because such levels can actually see also this level also. Once you come to these levels, you have to exit your market, because they can be effective sometimes. When you market come to that place, then a spike will happen, so you have to take care of them. Okay, so if you try to backtest this, we are going to get so many awesome results, guys. So let us check it on Crash 500 and see if see why I don't like to take it here, because this spikes a lot. It spikes a lot, except if there is a long spike before the crosses. But if it is ranging before the crosses, it's not worth it. It's not worth entering. Okay, but if a long spike happened before the cross, then that is when you can take entry and be confident, like this one here. See that the long spike happened before the crossover here, and you made profit. Okay, so I kind of thing. See also here, there's a long spike that happened before the crossover, you made your profit. And that's how simple, guys. How simple. Go ahead on your demo account. Okay, go I said go on demo account. I didn't say go to real account. Go to demo account. All right, practice on this thing, study it at least one or 2 days, then go to your live account. By then you shall understood how this strategy works. Okay, it works very, very effectively. If you understand it, it works very, very effectively. Now let me show you the settings of the strategy before we proceed. Now if you are a newbie, you have to click on this F button right here. Yeah, the F button here. You click on F button, and the first thing first, what we have on the main chart is our moving average. Click on that. We have period is 21, shift is 0. We have method is smoothed, apply to close, and we have 4 pixels of blue. You click on done. So when you are done, the next thing you are going to add is the window indicator 2, right, which is this particular one here. All right, you add your market facilitation index. Anyway, this is not needed. Let's just take it out. This is not part of what we need here. Let's remove it. It's not part of it. So you have to add your RSI, relative strength index, which is period is 12, apply to close, and style is 1 pieces of background color. So if you are using black background, you have to choose color here to be black. All right, now the levels here will have level 90, level 10, level 50, of which level 90 is where you are going to be selling the market. That is our overbought level. And the level 10 is where you are buying, which is our oversold level. Level 50, you know what it is. It is TP or weight. Then you click on done. Right, so when you click on done, the next thing you're going to be adding there is another moving average, which is period 1, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, and I choose here 4 pixels of red. All right, I choose 4 pixels of red, and when that is done, you click on done. So you should have an awesome screen like mine. This is a beautiful screen. You see how simple, the simplest strategy ever, and how much result it can produce, how much result it produces. So you don't have to be worried about how to make crazy amount of profit with this strategy, because it is damn awesome. It is very, very, very awesome. If you understand it very good, it is very, very awesome. So guys, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, please do go on the comment section and type I enjoyed this video. Okay, please type it on the comment section, I enjoyed this video, and please remember to give me a subscribe subscribe. Also like this video and share to others so that they can also enjoy it as you enjoyed. All right, this is HumbleFx, and this is what we do every day to make you guys get a lot of profits on the financial market. All right, see you in the next video, and until then, I remain HumbleFx. Enjoy.